someone was to ask me what should I do in a past life session, I would ask them what's the most interesting thing that you can think of. Like, what are your greatest questions or your biggest questions that you have about yourself or about life or about why you're here? Because, in one session, in a past life session, you figure it's what, like 45 minutes that you're actually in an altered state, and you can go through 3 or 4 lifetimes. Time exists differently in the mind. So when you're thinking about past lives and what you'd like to learn, it would be, what are those things that plague you? What are the questions that you haven't been able to answer? And I think you'll be very surprised to find that your soul and the journey of your soul will answer every one of those questions. And it will make sense of all the reasons of why you're here, who's in your life, why they're in your life, why you have certain challenges, why certain things are really easy for you. Past lives are amazing.